Hello, good people, and welcome to Finex Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. This is part of our Finex AI Tribe series where we explore the future of work with AI. We learn how to take advantage of AI tools like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Copilot, and the rest. Our goal in this series is to help you work smart, save time, and solve practical problems using AI. In this episode, we want to ask, can we write better CVs using Claude? With the right context and the right prompt, there's a lot more you can get out of Claude. So if you are game, join me and let's get started.
Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI and data. Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI and data. Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI and data. Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI.
Right, so before we begin, let's discuss the right setup. We are going to build the CV right in Microsoft Word. It requires you to have the Claude Pro license. So you can sign up for the Pro or Max. So the Pro currently is $17 if you are paying monthly on an annual basis, or $20 if you are paying monthly, right? So any of these will be fine. Now, when you sign up, it allows you to also install Claude in the Office apps. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and currently in beta mode in Outlook. So don't just settle for the web version. You can now come and install Claude in these apps as well. It also gives you the opportunity to install Claude Desktop, which allows you to use Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. We'll discuss more of that in this series. Right. So once you've signed up, you can now open a blank instance of Microsoft Word. Okay. And you go to Home, then you launch add-ins, right? You look for Claude by Anthropic. Once you click this, it will require you to sign in with the same credentials you used to sign up for your license. So once you are done, normally when you open a fresh instance of the app, you should see Claude present here. So once you click on it, this side panel is always available for you to use the existing skills or to give it a prompt. And of course, the context here matters. So you can have an existing Word document and then you add the extra details you want. So in this case study, what we want to do is we want to use an existing CV or resume. We'll use this simple classic resume. So once I open this up, the Claude logo is still here, means I can still open this up, right? Now for context, what I want to do is I want to use this style for my CV and also provide Claude my details. So I'm going to give it my LinkedIn profile to use as context. As an extra layer, it can be a bit more specific and customized if you also have the job vacancy that you are applying for, right? So let me go ahead and then prompt it. We'll make modifications as we proceed. So I'm going to use this prompt, use the style in the Word document, and draft a world-class CV that highlights my skills in data analytics and financial modeling using this LinkedIn profile. So this LinkedIn profile is my profile from LinkedIn. So normally you can come and then copy this. So I'm going to copy this. So the part where it is displaying my details, come in here and paste this. Okay. Now, the second thing I want to do is that it may try to fit everything in one page, but if it gets stuck, I want to give it the option to add multiple pages if need be, right? So I'll follow up with this and say that you don't have to fit all in one page. Add more pages if required, right? So as I mentioned, context matters. So let's see what we are able to get here. So in some cases, it's able to access your LinkedIn profile. In some cases, it uses your public information. But a cleaner way to do this will be probably to feed it with your old CV or just type the details it needs. Okay. So it will ask some clarifying questions. the template has placeholders for location, full and email. What should I put? So public sources don't show these, and I won't invent them. So I'll ask it to leave these as placeholders. I'll fill in later, right? So again, use placeholders. So once I've provided this, then I expect it to use the information that I've given it. So it now proceeds with the name, the caption or subtitle. And one thing I like about Claude is that it gives you the steps it's using to execute. So once it checks it off, you know that it is done, right? So the first part is done. The professional profile has also come in, and it's picking all these from the public information it gathered from what I gave it. So the experience part is also done, and as you can see, it's quite accurate, but when it's done, of course, the human being has to come in to make sure that the final delivery is what you want. So at some point, I'll have to fast track this, but I would expect it to finish in about 5 minutes, and then we review this together. So the name, it got right. The title, it got right. The professional profile, it got right. Experience, it got right. So I was able to update this to Finex Skills Hub. And it also got the financial modeling bit right. So for education and certificates, it also got this right. And it's now working on the skills and abilities, right? So it appears it's done, but it left a note that the skills section flows onto page 2 with a section divider and bullet indent. That is slightly different from page 1. So it's asking me to decide whether I still want everything in one page or apply the same style to page 2. Right, so I'll ask it to adjust the page 2 divider to match the style. Right, so let me do that. Right, so after it applies that fix, you can see that it also formatted the second page to match the style in the first page. Right, so at this point, you can now decide the extra details you want to add to this. Right, so I can decide to justify this, right? Or make it justify this for me, right? So I've highlighted this. I'll ask you to justify the selected text. Okay. Right, so you can see that is done. The point here is that if there are any further and better details that you want to add, you can now use Claude or do it yourself. So this is one example. Again, context matters. So if you had your old CV, you can load that. It allows you to put in your attachment, okay, and then even add the style that you want as well. Provide a detailed context. In this case, I tried using my LinkedIn profile. I was able to access it. Use public profile, and that also works, right? So hopefully you get the idea. If you want to modify or customize your CV, well, Claude is here to assist you get the best CV that you can create. So if you enjoyed this, we'd like to invite you to join our community, Finex AI Tribe. It's a community where we explore the future of work with AI. So on our LinkedIn page, we also showcase new ways we can use AI to work smart and save time. I've shared the QR code and a link in this video. We'll be happy to see you. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.